The Promise of a Poor Boy. Max was a little boy. He lived in a small, broken house with his family. They did not have much money, but they were happy. Alex had a father, a mother, a brother, and a sister. They all loved each other very much, and they tried to support one another as best as they could. Every day, even with little food or money, they smiled and found joy in being together. They shared stories, laughed at jokes, and played games when they could. Despite their struggles, they had each other, and that made them feel rich. One day, Alex's father got very sick. They did not have money to take him to the doctor. His father got sicker and sicker. Alex watched as his father's face grew pale and weak. Alex tried to help, giving him water and sitting by his side, but there was nothing more he could do. Then one day, Alex's father died. Everyone was very sad. His mother cried a lot, and Alex hugged his mother and sister tightly. Alex promised his mother, "I will take care of you and my sister." He wanted to make his father proud. Then, Alex's brother got sick too. There was no money to buy medicine. Alex and his mother watched as his brother got weaker and weaker. Alex tried to stay strong for his mother and sister, even though he felt scared. He hoped his brother would get better, but soon his brother died too. Alex felt very sad and very alone. He missed his father and his brother, and he sometimes cried at night when everyone was asleep. But he did not give up. He knew he had to stay strong for his mother and sister. Alex's mother worked very hard. She cleaned houses and washed clothes, but it was not enough. Sometimes they had no food to eat. They would share whatever little food they had, and sometimes they went to bed hungry. Alex could see how tired his mother was, but she never complained. She always hugged Alex and his sister, telling them that everything would be okay. Alex said, "I will work hard, Mom. I will become rich one day. I will take care of you and my sister." His mother hugged him and said, "I believe in you, Alex. You are a good boy. Study hard and work hard. Never give up." Her words made Alex feel strong, and he promised himself he would make her proud. Alex loved to learn. He read old books that he found and tried to learn English. He would sit by the window with his books, reading slowly and carefully. He wanted to learn as much as he could so he could get a good job. He did many small jobs. He cleaned streets, carried bags, and worked in a factory. His hands hurt and his back hurt too. But Alex did not stop. He wanted to help his family. Sometimes he cried when he was alone because he felt tired and sad. But he remembered his promise and kept going. He imagined a better life for his family, and that dream helped him keep working. Alex had a friend named Mia. She was kind and smart. They grew up together, and they liked to talk and laugh. Alex liked her very much, and Lily liked Alex too. She always encouraged him and told him that he was strong. But Lily's parents did not want her to be with Alex. They said, "You are too poor for Lily." Alex felt very sad. He wanted to be with Lily, but he knew he had nothing to offer her. Lily cried too. She wanted to be with Alex, but she had to listen to her parents. Before they said goodbye, Lily told Alex that she believed in him. She told him never to give up and that she knew he would do great things. Alex lost his love, but he did not give up. He remembered his promise and worked even harder. He wanted to prove to everyone that he could succeed. One day, a rich man named Mr. Smith came to the factory. He heard Alex speaking English and was very surprised. "Who taught you English?" he asked. "I learned it myself," Alex said. Mr. Johnson was very impressed. He gave Alex a job in his office. Alex was so happy. He worked very hard and learned many new things. Mr. Johnson liked Alex and helped him learn even more. He showed Alex how to use the computer, how to talk to customers, and how to do important work in the office. Alex felt proud of himself, and he knew he was on his way to a better life. Mr. Johnson taught Alex about business. Alex worked on weekends and stayed late to learn everything he could. Sometimes it was hard and Alex felt tired. There were days when Alex felt like giving up, but he thought about his mother and sister. He thought about Lily's words and he kept going. He wanted to be the best he could be, not just for himself, but for the people he loved. He learned how to write reports, talk to clients, and manage money. Mr. Johnson was like a mentor to Alex, and Alex was very grateful. Alex's mother and sister helped him too. His mother still worked hard, even though Alex told her to rest. She would always say, "We must keep working, Alex. We must do our best." His sister helped around the house. She cooked and cleaned so their mother could rest. They were a team, and they all worked together. This made Alex even stronger. Knowing his family believed in him gave Alex more strength. He wanted to make their lives better, and he worked every day to reach that goal. Years went by, and Alex worked very hard. Mr. Johnson saw how good Alex was. One day, Mr. Johnson said, "Alex, I want you to be the CEO of my company." Alex could not believe it. He thanked Mr. Johnson and promised to work even harder. As the CEO, Alex made the company grow. He worked day and night, making sure everything was perfect. He earned a lot of money, but he never forgot his promise. He remembered the days when his family had nothing, and he wanted to make sure they never had to worry again. With the money he saved, Alex bought a big house for his mother and sister. One day, he took them to see it. "This is our new home," he said. His mother and sister cried happy tears. They hugged Alex. He had kept his promise. The house was beautiful, with big windows and a lovely garden. Alex's mother and sister were so proud of him. Alex also helped other poor children. He told them, "Never give up, work hard, and believe in yourself. You can make your dreams come true." He wanted to give hope to children who were like him. Alex's mother looked at him with tears in her eyes and said, "You make me very proud, Alex. You have a big heart." His sister hugged him too and said, "You are the best brother." Alex smiled. He was happy. He had kept his promise. He had taken care of his family, just like he said he would. Alex used his money to help others. He built schools and helped poor children go to school. He wanted all children to have a chance, just like he did. He helped young people learn new skills so they could get good jobs. He remembered how hard it was to learn by himself, and he wanted to make it easier for others. His mother's words, "Study hard and work hard. Never give up," stayed with him always. He wanted to make sure that every child had the chance to learn and grow. Alex became an inspiration to many people. He talked to children at schools and told them to follow their dreams. He started programs to help young people and gave them hope. He showed them that it didn't matter where they started, as long as they worked hard and never gave up. Alex knew how important it was to have someone believe in you. He wanted to be that person for others. He wanted to give others the chance that Mr. Johnson had given him. Alex never forgot where he came from. He used his money to help his community. He helped small businesses and made sure people had what they needed. He worked hard, not just for himself, but for everyone. He became a hero to many people. People looked up to him, and they were grateful for all that he did. He wanted to make his community a better place for everyone. One day, Alex met Lily again. She had heard about his success. They talked, and their old feelings came back. Lily's parents saw how much Alex had done and were happy for them. They knew Alex was no longer the poor boy he once was. He was now a successful man with a kind heart. Soon, Alex and Lily got married. It was a simple but happy wedding. Everyone in the community came to celebrate. It was a day full of love and joy. Alex's mother and sister were so happy to see him with Lily. Alex's life was still full of challenges, but he faced them all. He used his money to help even more people. He built schools, hospitals, and gave jobs to those in need. He wanted to make the world a better place. He wanted to help as many people as he could. He knew what it felt like to be poor and to struggle, and he did not want others to feel that way. He worked every day to help those in need. Alex's story shows us that if you work hard and never give up, you can do anything. He showed that real success is not just about money. It is about helping others and making the world better. Alex went from being a poor boy in a small house to a successful man who helped many people. His story is one we can all learn from. It teaches us that no matter how hard life gets, there is always hope, and we must keep trying